So I've had some questions from people who have done the test and come out with a different bug to what they maybe thought they were going to be in their mind. So I'm assuming this is not an uncommon thing, but what do you think happens that people think they're one way, but then they turn out to be a little bit different?
I think it's a couple of things that's going on. One is you're looking at your mess and answering the questions based on what you're failing at. So everything's everywhere, there's piles, and you're like, oh, I must be a macro organizer and I must be visual because I see mess. But we don't answer the quiz based on what our house looks like. We answer based on what we're actually succeeding at. So in the areas of our home that's working. But we also have to not answer with our fantasy self. We all want to be really detailed, or we all want to, detailed people want to be a little less detailed. So we can't answer based on fantasy us. We have to be real. What's really working in your home? And the truth is, you can't always put people into 4 categories either. You may be a little bit of this in one and a little bit of this somewhere else, and that's okay too. The whole point isn't about what clutterbug you are. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but that's the honest truth. It's about knowing yourself. And it's about having self-awareness of, why am I doing this? Why is this working? Why is this not working? And how can I adapt my home to fit my brain and how my brain naturally manages my stuff?
We hope you have enjoyed this clip from one of our previous live streams. If you would like to watch the full live stream, you can do it here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss a live stream.